Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So someone asked me to try a tree ring pour that wasn't specifically a ring, so either a square or a triangle. Now because I have a square canvas here, I'm going to go ahead and try a square. I think this will be fun and interesting. So I'm going to use quite a variety of paints. I'm using some Arteza Metallics, along with the Artist Loft Flow Acrylics, and everything is mixed with Floetrol and water. So check down in the description for my materials used in here, along with my ratios. I'm using kind of a bit of different colors here. Green, and then I have like a metallic red, and then let's see. Use a bit of this. This is a rose gold. And I do need pretty much this entire bowl filled for this size canvas. Maybe a little bit less than the whole thing. This is a bit of a brighter green. Okay. So normally on a tree ring, you're going to just pour right in the middle and go in a little bit of a circle. So let's go ahead and, I suppose there's a few ways you can do this, but basically I'm going to pour in a square. Now it's obviously not coming out in a perfect square. So it should be interesting pattern-wise. I feel like it will ultimately kind of come out the same though as the tree ring. But who knows? It is always fun to experiment. And I think it could be fun trying it in different patterns. That's pretty good. So even though I did pour as much in a square as possible, it still does look extremely similar to the actual tree ring, as if I had poured it in a circle. Let's see after we stretch it out if it gives really any difference of appearance here. But overall it's looking pretty much the same as if I had done a tree ring. There we go. I feel like that actually might have had a slightly different effect. You can kind of see that square still in there. That could be how I tilted it as well, but I think it might actually have affected it in a bit differently. I tried to tilt it in such a way to maintain the original pattern. Either way, I think it looks awesome. I'm in love with it. There's definitely some cells that developed over here with the metallics. So let's let this sit here for a little while, see if anything else changes, and then we'll come in for a close-up. Starting over here in the lower right-hand corner, coming up to the upper right-hand corner. Check out these gorgeous lines. I actually really, really love this. So I think I can tell a little bit of a difference. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Do you think you can tell a difference, or does it look the same as any other tree ring pattern? I will be trying a triangle coming up relatively soon, but I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'm still just super thrilled with how this came out, and I will see you all next time.